Morning YouTube. Today's project is we're going to go and hook up drains to all of these tubs today. So come along with us and we'll get a little bit of work done. Let's get to work. Now we're going to start building valve assemblies for the remaining tubs. hooked up. I've got all these valves open except for this one. This one's closed. It's going to go to everything that's over there. And I've got a tank over here with some water in it. I opened up the valve and now the levels are slowly starting to equalize. So we actually have water coming into these tanks now. Water slowly starting to trickle in. What's going to happen is the level of water in these tanks is going to equalize with the other one over here, the big one here. And we'll sit around and wait and see if anything leaks. Now we got all the drains set up. All of these are filling up with water, rising up to the same level that we've got over there in the big tank. And I've got this tank full of water, and I'm testing the what used to be the old pool pump. It's going to be our recirculation pump. I hooked it up temporarily just to see if it still worked, and it does. Let's go check it out. As you can probably hear, I've got the pool pump running and got it going back into this tank. This is the only tank that's on it, so it's recirculating water back into this tank. And it's working. Haven't found any leaks yet, but I wanted to make sure that this actually ran before I went and plumbed in everything else around it. One more thing off the list. Well, it's evening time now, and the day's drawn to a close. We got a lot of stuff done today. All of these tanks are full. They're even with the other tanks. And I went and refurbished the sand filter, and I got the circulation pump running. Let me show you real quick. This pipe you see here is temporary, but this is coming from the sand filter, the old pool filter. We've got the pump running, pulling off of this tank only, coming up, going through the sand filter, and then coming right back into this tank. Been running it for several hours to clean out the crud, and I'll take the water that's in here and dump it out in the yard before I go and attach it to the system. There's a little stub right up there on top that's actually going to go up into the other filtration system. So we'll have two different filters working on this system. But that's it for tonight. Come on back and see us. Tomorrow we're going to have some more fun.